What it do, back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do this hair do. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo boo.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I have another wear and go unit. It is self-explanatory. You just put it on and you go. No fuss, no muss. We out the door kicking dust, okay? That's what this do, okay? So today's hair is by Julia Hair, and I have in the 7x5 pre-everything unit. This is a water wave and it is wear and go. And like I said, it is a pre-everything, so that basically means that it is pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. There's nothing for you to do, okay, more than put it on, put your little spin on it. Even though it's wear and go, you still want to do a little things to tweak it to make it fit your personality, that it fits your head, it frames your face a little bit better. You get what I'm saying? But I really do love this. Like I said, it is 7x5. Now 7x5 is pretty wide. Okay, that is temple to temple, and all you have is just this little piece right here. I also love that this unit comes with the air piece cut out, because if you know, you know, honey, okay? Because a lot of units don't come with that, and it sits on your air or it's pushing on your air, but they made sure to cut out that air tab area. That is very, very important for comfort, because we're gonna wear this all day. We're wearing this at school. I saw a meme the other day where the girls used to get like relaxed and like have little bubbles in their hair. Like, this is what we used to wear back in the day at school. Nowadays, the kids are wearing 30-inch bust downs. Okay, yes, let them kids protect their hair. Stop frying and dyeing them kids' hair, okay? I wish I had wigs when I was in school. I wish the girls were wearing wigs. I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? There would probably be less fights because nobody would want their wigs pulled off. And our hair would be, if Caribbean moms were more educated on how to take care of natural hair, you know, we would definitely have wigs in the arsenal as kids, okay? The way the hair game has progressed, like, wigs are a must for a little bit of protection, okay? Because our hair is a lot. Our natural hair is a lot. Anyways, that is neither here nor there. Like I said, it is 24 inches and she is full, y'all. Drama. Look at that. That's just half. Okay, I absolutely love this. And for the summer, like on the beach, like, this is what you want. You want a wear and go unit, okay? You want something that you can wear in the water too. It's gonna fit snug and nice on the head. Get in the water. Stop talking about you ain't wetting up your hair. Get in the water. Stop playing, okay? You travel all that way and you ain't gonna get in the water because of your hair? Anyway, that's neither here nor there, okay? Back to the wig. So this unit is absolutely stunning, and it is one for the books, and it is super easy, and the more I run my fingers through it, the more fluffy it gets. I did spray some styling water in there, and I did do a little bit of blow drying. It was a lot more tame, but the more I play with it, it gets bigger and bigger, and I like it when it gets big and poofy. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's just really, really pretty. Anyways, all the information for this unit is going to pop up right here. Make sure you check the description box. Everything will be linked down there for you. Anything that I forgot to say, but for the most part, this is, I love it. This is a must-have, and I'm absolutely feeling these everything wigs, these pre-everything wigs, these wear and go wigs. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's get into the styling of this video.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me something to work with. Can you just reassure me? Every time I question what my future has in store, I get to panicking anxiety. Can't live here no more. No more. So I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart, hurt disguised as strength. Maybe you only want what you can't have. Never seem to be satisfied till it all goes bad. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had? It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away.
So yeah, that is basically it. That is all I did. Super easy. Just molding the front, okay? And it's glueless, okay? All I did was use moves to mold the front and tie it down, but it's 100% glueless. You don't have to do all of this that I did. If you want, you could even use just edge control to mold like the baby hairs. If you are a baby hair lover, because I know some girls don't love the baby hairs, and without the baby hairs, this is actually still really pretty. Borichica, she's going to put our little baby hairs in there always, okay? I know baby hairs don't fit everyone, but for me, I feel like it fits me, so okay. And naturally, I have baby hairs, so we're keeping the baby hairs, all right? So yeah, but that's literally all that you do. And if you want to spray it down to define the curls a little bit more, if not, you can just literally brush it out and go. The way it came out of the pack was really pretty. I'm not gonna lie, okay? Just a little cold wash, if anything, and you're good to go. Like, there's really not much to do, and I love that. I love that they're making these units a lot easier for us. Like, this is 100% beginner friendly. Anybody could do this. This is too easy, like way too easy. Anyway, shout outs to Julia Hair for sponsoring today's video. Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean in here, okay? And listen, if it ain't good hair, it don't make it on here, I promise you. Like, what are we doing? We have things to do, so give me the good stuff and let me go, okay? Make sure you check the description box. Everything will be linked down there for you. Comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, share the video because sharing is caring. And yeah, until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon.